All right. Welcome back to another story with me, Luke, the storyteller. All right. So once there were two babies. All right. There were two babies. One baby. Two babies, but this is a baby. This is a baby girl. We got a baby boy and a baby girl. So once there were two babies. One baby was named Alina. A L I N A. One baby was named Alina. The other baby was named Tim. T I M. Tim. So once there were two babies. One was named Alina, and the other baby was named Tim. They both like to play with trucks.
There's a truck here. They want to play with this truck, or maybe one of these trucks.
They both like to play with trucks. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. So they both like to play with trucks. One day, Alina was playing with a blue truck. Alina was playing with a blue truck. So one day, Alina was playing with a blue truck. Vroom, 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 vroom. One day, Alina was playing with a blue truck, and Tim wanted it. Hey, I want that blue truck. I want to play with that blue truck. So Tim walked over to Alina, and he said, "Hey, can I play with the blue truck?" Alina said, No, you can't play with the blue truck." And Tim said, Please, I want to play with the blue truck." And Alina said, No, you can't play with the blue truck. It's my blue truck. It's not your blue truck. It's my blue truck." And then Tim, he stole the truck. He stole the blue truck and he ran away. So he stole the blue truck and then he ran away. So Tim ran away and Alina ran after him and she tackled him. She tackled him to the ground and then she took her truck back, and that's the end of the story. So I'll go over it from the top. So there were two babies. One was named Alina and one was named Tim. They both liked to play with trucks. One day, Alina was playing with a blue truck. Tim wanted to play with the blue truck. So Tim went over to Alina and he said, "Hey, Alina, can I play with the blue truck?" And Alina said, "No." So Tim stole the blue truck and he ran away. So Alina ran after him and she tackled him to the ground and took her truck back. The end.